Do you ever brush your teeth? Look in the mirror. Still see a white or yellow coating on your tongue. That rough, fuzzy feeling, almost like your tongue is wearing a sweater it shouldn't be wearing. Here's the surprising truth. Brushing harder doesn't fix tongue coating, it often makes it worse. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple daily routine that actually removes tongue coating at the root. Not just temporarily. Asterisk. Let's talk about what tongue coating really feels like. You wake up in the morning with thick, pasty tongue, bad breath. Even after brushing a bitter or metallic taste, food tasting off, you scrape once. Maybe twice. It looks better for an hour, then it's back. That's frustrating. And here's why this matters right now. Tongue coating is not just cosmetic. It's often the starting point of chronic bad breath, gum inflammation, increased cavity risk, digestive imbalance. Think of your tongue like a doormat for bacteria. If it's dirty, everything passing through your mouth gets contaminated. Good news, you don't need expensive products or extreme cleanses. You need the right daily sequence, and I'll show you exactly how. Asterisk myth number 1, just scrape harder. This is one of the biggest mistakes. Scraping aggressively is like scraping moss off a rock with a knife. You remove the surface, but you damage the surface underneath. Hard scraping irritates tongue tissue, causes micro-injuries, triggers more bacterial buildup as a defense response result. Thicker coating over time. Myth number 2, tongue coating means poor hygiene. Not true. Many people with excellent brushing habits still get tongue coating because saliva flow is low, mouth breathing is present, diet feeds the wrong bacteria. So this isn't about brushing more. It's about restoring balance. Asterisk. Let's break this down simply. Your tongue has tiny grooves and papillae like a shag carpet. When saliva is low, mouth is acidic, oxygen is reduced, bacteria settle into those grooves. Analogy number 1. Dirty sponge. Dry sponge grows bacteria fast. Moist, clean sponge doesn't. Your tongue works the same way. Analogy number 2. Trash without a garbage truck, bacteria shed constantly. Saliva is the garbage truck. Less saliva equals trash piling up equals visible coating. Analogy. #3. Mud on shoes. Scraping is like wiping mud. Fixing saliva and bacteria balance is like not stepping in mud anymore. That's why lasting results require a routine, not a one-time scrape. Asterisk stage 1. Minor discomfort, morning breath. White tongue, dry mouth. Most people ignore it here. Stage 2. Worsening problem, persistent bad breath, inflamed taste buds, burning or sensitivity. Now it affects confidence. Stage 3. Structural damage, gum inflammation, increases harmful. Bacteria spread, higher cavity risk, the tongue becomes a bacterial reservoir. Stage 4. Catastrophic. Outcome, costly dental treatments, chronic halitosis, social embarrassment. Digestive imbalance, all from something that started as a white tongue. Asterisk tip number 1. Morning tongue reset, 2 minutes immediately after waking once daily, step by step. Rinse mouth with 1/2 cup warm water. Use a tongue scraper or soft toothbrush scrape. Light pressure, only 5 to 7 strokes from back to front, rinse scraper. After each pass, pressure should feel like wiping fog off a mirror, not scraping paint. Asterisk tip number 2. Saliva activation routine, 3 minutes. This is the game changer. You'll need 1 cup water, a pinch of salt, 1/8 teaspoon steps. Swish for 30 seconds. Gently move tongue against roof of mouth, spit, do not rinse. With plain water after this, stimulates saliva and resets oral pH. Asterisk night protection rule. Avoid mouth breathing at night. Drink water 30 minutes. Before bed, do not scrape tongue at night. Scraping irritates healing tissue. Asterisk, if this helped you, like this video so more people stop suffering silently.